how to turn on logging in with your accounts on Instagram and Facebook. If you don't know, Meta has allowed us to log into our Instagram or Facebook using each other, so I'm going to show you how to turn it on. First, you need to open your Instagram and tap on the profile. From here, tap on your hamburger menu and open the settings. From here, go to your account center. And here under connected experiences, you can see logging in with accounts. You can tap on it. And by default, if you have your Facebook and Instagram connected, it should be on this. So if I choose this one, I can log into my Facebook. I can log into my Instagram using my Facebook, and I can log into my Facebook using my Instagram. So if you want to edit that, let's say if I don't want my Instagram to log into my Facebook, what I can do is tap here and unselect this checkbox. So my Instagram now cannot log into my Facebook. So if I want to turn it back on, I can just do this. If you choose the simple option, it will allow both of them to log into each other. And that's how you can log into your Facebook using Instagram or your Instagram using Facebook. So I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.